Hi guys, just another quick update video for you. Show you what's been going on. I've managed to finish the tape that runs down the platforms. I had to go and get another platform kit just to get the tape. So I've got some spare card and some wall pieces, which is pretty good. I'll be building some walls and things. I decided I was going to go ahead and do some more point motors. I'm really pleased with how the ones across the other side of the layout work in the loop, just over there. So I've gone and bought 6 more point motors, and I've just been wiring them up. I forgot to get the base plates for them to mount them underneath the baseboard, so I can't actually put them in yet. So they're going to go. Well, 4 of them are going to go over here. So these two sets of points over here will be controlled from one point lever. So we need 1 point motor here and one here, one there and then one there, so that's 4 of the point motors taken care of. Unfortunately I didn't, when I laid this, put any holes in for point motors, so what I've thought about doing was drilling a small hole down with the smallest drill bit I've got, and then from underneath the baseboard drill a big hole up to give the right clearance here, because I don't really want to have to take all this out. But that should add some extra options for me. So that's those 4. So I've got 6 point motors and cabling those in and basically putting them together right now, ready for when I get the mounting plates. And the other thing I've been doing is wiring these in. So I've got 2 done at the moment, and I've built a signal box frame ish. So I've got a whole bunch of the signal levers, and I've been cabling those up together and getting those sorted out. So I'm going to have a nice big frame running down there with all the signals on. So as I say, I've done 2 so far. So they're not actually linked to the points in any way, but that's fine. And just down here I've been putting the extra levers in. So these are for the extra point motors. So we've got the 2 for the other side, for the 2 crossovers, and 1 for the other 2 point motors. They are going to go into this crossover just over here, and then I shall start putting point motors in all the way around for the large sidings. So that's a mammoth task. So that's going to have to wait probably till next year now. But yeah, it's coming on. It's coming together now. I'm just going to carry on for the rest of the evening wiring these wiring these signals in. So that end of the platform and this end. If I get all those sorted out, hopefully by the end of this weekend. So what I'm doing is making up these in batches, and when I've got enough, I put them into the frame and wire them up, and then do the next batch, and so on. So yeah, that's kind of it. I've built more shops and more. Well, I think you've seen that house, that row of houses there now. But yeah, more shops. So that's the last of the shops now done. So it's just going to be houses again, carrying on down there. And I've put a path down the back of these houses, which kind of goes around the corner a little bit there, and then a small path down to the signal box. So the wall is going to carry on across there, separate the railway from the town. But yeah, I'm just going to carry on wiring signals up. And then once that's done, I'll wire the point motors up. There's a long cable run got to happen from over here, unfortunately. It's quite a distance, but you know, we'll get it round and under the board. Back to those switches over there. So I've actually ran out of 12 volt feeds off the back of these now. So I'm going to have to rejig some of the 12 volt feeds so that we can get more feeds by just running kind of bus wires now for this stuff. Yeah. So there we go. I'll leave you with a shot of the two working ones. Oh, I've got to cut down the edge of that roof as well. That's overhang quite a bit. Bye for now.